Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create fashion flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. You can straight away start designing it. As a first step, we are going to create a border guidelines. For that, go to the guides folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select green color. Now go to shapes tool and select rectangle tool. Give a click. Now create a rectangle shape which reads 950 by 128. Click OK. By using this shape as a reference, we are going to create guidelines. For vertical guidelines, I'm going to enable free transform tool, give a 90-degree rotation, place it on left side, create a vertical guideline. Fine. Now our guidelines are ready. Now you can disable the guides folder. Next we are going to create two lines at the top. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color, enable shapes tool, select line tool. I'll keep the size as 6 pixels. By holding shift key, create a line. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Next we are going to add our title, address and contact information. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, enable text tool. I'm going with a black color. The font I'm using is a free font. You can download it if you want. I'll give link in the description. I'm going with style as medium. I'll keep the font size as 40. Now type in your title. Next I'm going to type in address and contact information. Create a layer. I'm going to reduce the size down to 12. I'll keep the style as bold. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. I'll reduce the size as 11. Style as regular. Another duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Now adjust the spacings. Now by holding shift key in your keyboard, select the these three layers. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Now by holding shift key, move the text layers. Now I'm going to edit this one as contact information. I'm going to add phone number and email ID. Now using your arrow keys, adjust the spacings. Fine, now we are done with the top part. Next we are going to bring in our images. Before that, we are going to create 4 image placeholder shapes. For that, go to the image folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color. Now enable shapes tool, select rectangle tool, this one. Now give a click and create a shape which reads 2220 by 1234. Now I'll place it somewhere here. Now I'm going to create another placeholder shape, create a layer, go to color picker, going with the same black color, select rectangle tool, give a click and create a rectangle which reads 657 by 976. I'll place it somewhere here. Now I'm going to create 2 duplicate copies by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Now adjust the spacings. If you want, you can use the guideline shape we created previously. Fine, I'm okay with the spacings. Now I'm going to rename the layers as, I'll keep it simple, I'll keep it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to add our images. Go to the project file, open image 1 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image 1 right above first image placeholder layer. Right click, clip mask the layer so that the image will be visible only inside the placeholder. Now by enabling free transform tool Ctrl T, I'm going to resize the image. Fine, I'm going to repeat the very same step. Go to the project file, open image 2 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas, place it right above layer 2, clip mask the image, resize the image using free transform tool Ctrl T. Repeat the same for the other two placeholders. Fine, now we are done with the image board. Now we are going to add our main headings. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer. I'm going with the white color. I'm using the same font, but I'm going to change the style as black, and I'm going to increase the size as 49. Now type in your heading. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Next, I'm going to type in my website address. For that, create a layer. I'm going to reduce the size down to 15. I'll keep the style as bold. I'll place it at the center here. Now we are going to create a rectangle shaped button. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer. Go to shapes tool and select rectangle tool. Now disable fill, enable stroke. I'm going with the white color. Make sure the size is 6 pixels. Now create a rectangle shape like so. Fine, our button is ready. Next we are going to add text at the bottom. For that, create a layer. I'm going with black color. I'll change the style as bold. I'm going with size 15. I'm going to type in my text. I'll place it at the center here. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. I'm going to change the font size and style. I'll create a duplicate copy. I'll create another duplicate copy. I'll change the size. Now adjust the spacings using keyboard arrow keys. Now by holding shift key in my keyboard, I'm going to select all the 4 text layers. I'll create 2 duplicate copies, Ctrl J. I'll move it and place it at the center. Another one which goes here. Now I'm going to edit my text content. Now our flyer is almost ready. As a final step, we are going to add a line here. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer. I'm going with blue color. Now select line tool. Now disable stroke, enable fill. I'm going to select the same blue color. Make sure the weight is 6 pixels and create a small line like so. Now I'm going to create 2 duplicate copies, Ctrl J, place it here, another one here. And as a final step, go to the background folder, create a layer. I'm going to same blue color, select polygon laser tool. Now create a triangle selection like so. Now fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt Backspace. So there you go, our flyer is ready. Now all you got to do is export the file as PNG or PDF and get it printed. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.